Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the JBL PartyBox 710. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $800. I repeat, $800. Alright, so let's go through all of the features. Now this speaker weighs 68 pounds. You got Bluetooth version 5.1. It's IPX4 splash resistant. You're getting 800 watts RMS power. 800 watts RMS power. Now you got JBL Original Pro sound, dual 2.75-inch tweeters and 8-inch woofers. You got a handle and wheels. You got guitar and mic inputs. Now you're getting TWS, True Wireless Stereo. So you can pair two of these together wirelessly, or you can also use a wired connection. Now you got the JBL PartyBox app that you can control all of the features. And my favorite feature, RGB lights. Now this has the second best RGB light panel behind the JBL PartyBox 1000. Alright, so all of that for $800. Let's unbox it and see what it is. Now inside the box, you got your usual books and shit, and the plug. Here's the front of the speaker. Now it's 68 pounds, so it's portable, but not really portable. It's portable in the sense that you can move it around your house, you can move it around outside, but it has to be plugged in. So keep that in mind. This speaker does not have a battery, just like the PartyBox 1000. The speaker has to be plugged in at all times. So if you're going to take it outside, you're going to need a generator or a big portable battery, but you can move it around your house anywhere that is plugged in. Now in the front, you see the metal speaker grill, you see the two tweeters at the top, and the two big woofers in the middle. Now on the left side, you got 4 orange rubber stoppers. This way you can lay the speaker horizontally, and you got your JBL logo. On the right side, same 4 orange rubber stoppers and the JBL logo. Now on the bottom, you got 4 big black rubber stoppers. That's going to keep it in place vertically, and you got 2 wheels. That makes it easy to move around. Now in the back of the speaker, you got a big handle on the top. That makes it easy to lift up. You got a little JBL logo underneath that. Then you got a rubber flap that covers up all of your ports. Underneath that, you got a big bass reflex port. And then underneath that, you got another rubber flap that covers up your power input. Let's take a closer look. Alright, so you got a 1/4-inch mic and guitar input with gain controls. You got a USB-A input. This way you can charge up other devices. You got a 3.5 auxiliary input for non-Bluetooth devices. You got your True Wireless Stereo pairing button. And underneath, you got your daisy chain inputs. Now on the bottom, here's where you're going to plug it in. Now here's how the speaker looks from the top. You got a little slot for your phone or your tablet. You got your bass, treble, and echo controls. You got 3 different sound effects. You got your light controls, you got play and pause, volume controls, your power button, Bluetooth, and bass boost. Now when you first connect the speaker, make sure you download the PartyBox app and do the update. Alright, here's a cool little Easter egg. You can actually see the time of the update on the speaker. Alright, here's the PartyBox app. Now this is the way you're going to control your light show, your DJ effects, your karaoke, and your True Wireless Stereo. Okay, so here's karaoke. You got bass, treble, and echo controls. For DJ effects, you got horn, clapping, scratch, scratch 2, scratch 3, barking. You got like, which is my favorite one, boo. Okay, DJ cringe. Ready. And ready. Now you can edit those buttons to customize them from the 3 on the top. Now here's your light show. You pull this up a little bit, let's zoom out. Okay, here's some of the different lights. Now I'll turn the lights off so you can see them better. Got purple, got the swirl, you got green. Basically all of your controls. Alright, so one more thing I wanted to mention with the app. If you hit up, you can play and pause your music, you can raise or lower the volume, and you got your bass boost, 1 and 2. All right, so first I'm gonna do a little sound test with the bass boost turned off and the volume at 50%. Then we're gonna turn the lights off and go crazy. All right, so here we go. Put your headphones on. Okay, let's turn on bass boost number 1. Yo, do y'all hear that bass? All right, here's bass boost number 2. All right, it sounded better with bass boost 1. All right, let's get some volume. All right, yo. Now, I know this mic is not gonna do it the proper justice, but the bass on this is crazy. I would say the bass is right up there with the PartyBox 1000. Now I'm gonna have to do a little side-by-side testing, but the bass is so clean and so deep. This is crazy. Now I haven't even put it at max volume yet. Let me turn down the lights. I'm gonna play a different song, and then we'll check out some of the RGB lights. All right, so we're gonna start the song. I'm gonna let the music play, and I'm gonna cycle between some of the different light patterns. Here we go. Max volume.
Oh, I don't feel the same without you. I feel alone now that you're gone. I can't get over the fact that I miss you instead of phone. I'm sending love letters, love at us. I did you wrong, baby, I gotta do better. She was with me to the end. We was way more than friends. I think about you over and over again. But she can never ever be you. I'm sending love letters, love at us. I did you wrong, baby, I gotta do better. We was women to the end. We were way more than friends. I think about you over and over again. 'Cause I do anything for you to be mine. 'Cause girl, baby, I gotta do better.
Okay, now I'm back here just playing around with the different lights. Let me show you what I was doing. All right, so I'm just pressing the buttons. You see, you can control the strobe lights with your fingers. You can control those panels on the sides. You got blue, you got red, you got little green strobes. You can hit the speckle strobes, or you got the big boy strobes. All right, so you can hit those as much as you want. So you can try to time them to the song if you like. Go crazy. Now I know what you're saying. This speaker sounds dope. How would two of these paired together sound? Who would buy two of these? Me, that's who. Check this out. Now, before I do this sound test, there's a couple of things I wanted to mention. Now, just in case you're wondering the size difference between the PartyBox 710 and the PartyBox 1000, here it is. Now, the PartyBox 1000 is way too big for me to carry back upstairs. I'll post this picture, but if you look closely, you can see the PartyBox 1000 is a little bit taller, but it has the full panel RGB lights. Now, the next thing I wanted to mention is you do have a microphone. Let me plug it in real quick.
Yeah, test it, 1, 2, 3. Test it, 1, 2, 3. DJ French, back in the building.
All right, that's my DJ voice. Get the booze ready. And the last thing I wanted to mention, true wireless stereo. Now, JBL has made it way easier to pair two of these together than it's ever been. All you have to do is go to the back of the first speaker, press the TWS button, go to the back of the second speaker, press the TWS button, and that's it. No holding, no waiting for pairing. Just press each button and they'll automatically connect in less than 5 seconds. This is the easiest that it's ever been. All right, so let's dim the lights and let's go crazy. One last thing. Now, when you got two paired together, you can go to the PartyBox app and you can put them in party mode or left and right stereo mode. All right, so here we go. Party mode.
Yeah. DJ French back in the building. Shout out to everybody rocking out with Flossy Carter YouTube channel. Shout out to White Shoes. Drop that new 21 inch joint. Let's go.
Yo, I got a question for you. How many times you knew I was checking for you? How many? Put it on the line, grab the weapon for you. For real, I was front line, I was repping for you. Trapper, came by myself, I was stepping for you. Trapper, turned the L to a lesson for you. Cash, turned one night to a blessing for you. Anything I do sounds special for you. But I wouldn't do nothing special unless it's for you. And that's the thing about it. And I can't sleep at night when I think about it. These niggas think they got it, but I really got it. These niggas think they profit, but I really profit. I done left the town, got it really poppin'. These niggas window shop when I'm really copping. I'm from the city where niggas be milli rockin'. I might pull up in 650s with silly options, but it's the mathematics. Would you still stick around if I ain't have cabbage? Would you come to my shows if I rap average? Except on my flaws and my bad habits. Heal all my wounds from the backstabbers. And never be someone who would backstab me. Never. Ready for that ride in the black caddy. My son, one son, tell him ask daddy. He'll be mad happy. But I'm just trying to chill and twist the line. Catch stunts on my 745. Driving crazy, shorty playing. Just wanna see you and feel real. But if I post this little bitch on my close friends, you ask about it and I act like I got no sense. Spend on me, or would you spend for me? How deep is our love? If that's what it takes me to creep in the club. The shit beneath me, I still reach from above. The old me would've reached for the glove. I'm just playing, yo, you know what I'm saying. But oh, when it's over, I just hope that you stand because you need to love me now. You'll leave you crazy, just love me if I was down and out. But you still have love for me.
Yeah. DJ French, shout out to my Southside ladies. Southside ladies out there. DJ French, the big. We out of here.
All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the JBL PartyBox 710 a major go. This is now my second favorite JBL party speaker behind the PartyBox 1000. That's still a champ. Now, when I went downstairs, I did a little side-by-side comparison. The PartyBox 1000 is a little bit louder, the bass gets a little bit deeper, and the RGB lights on the front of the 1000 is still the best. This is now number 2. This is my second favorite. This speaker is an absolute beast. Now, as far as sound comparison, somebody's going to ask me, what should you get? 2 PartyBox 310s or 1 PartyBox 710? I would say if you're getting this for in your house and you don't plan on moving around, get 1 PartyBox 710. Trust me, All right, it's going to sound better than 2 310s paired together. But here's also another thing that you got to consider. If you got a wide space and you want to spread out the sound, then you're going to want to go with 2 310s because you can put one on one side of the room and one all the way on the other side of the room, and it'll spread it out. But if you're in a small space or one-room environment, this is the one you want. All right, you want the PartyBox 710. Now, I would say spend a couple extra dollars and get the 1000. All right, if you want to go crazy, get 2 PartyBox 1000s. That's what I got in my living room right now. There's nothing on earth like it. All right, with the RGB lights and that deep bass, there's nothing like it. Now, this is a close number 2. 2 of these paired together in your living room is going to be almost as good as the PartyBox 1000s, just a little bit less bass, But these are worth every penny. The RGB lights, the DJ effects. This is just way too much fun. The YouTube mic is not doing it justice. All right, I'm back here having a party. I'm sweating. I love this. All right, this is a triple major go. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. And also, let me just throw this out there. This is not a sponsored video. All right, so if you like the video, you know what to do. Give me some love because I had to carry these up 3 flights of stairs. I broke my fucking back. All right, my back is hurting right now, but I'm doing this for y'all. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you're part of the money team.